Copy the Airtable base into your Airtable account. The Airtable base has a contact table and a board with a customer funnel. Now use the Zapier template to create a Zap in You account. Use your 2Chat account to get your API key to connect Zapier to 2Chat. Configure all the Zapier parameters, selecting your phone number and testing the step. Now you must use the text formatter to remove the plus sign from the phone number. Select Replace in the Transform parameter. Select the remote phone number from the 2Chat step. Enter the plus sign as the character to replace. Leave the replace parameter with no value, so the plus sign can be removed. Now you can configure the Airtable connection. This is easier if you have Airtable open in another tab. Select the 2Chat Mini CRM we copied before in Airtable. Select the 2Chat Mini CRM base. Select the Contacts table. Select the phone number as the Find field. Select Transformed phone number as the search value. Fill all the fields with the corresponding values from previous steps. Remember to add the phone number from the text transform and enter lead as the status. After testing the step, you will see the new record in the Airbase table. Every new conversation will create a new contact if the phone number doesn't exist. You can see the funnel and even click on the link to open the conversation in 2Chat. You can change the status for moving the customer through the funnel, and clicking the chat link will allow you to easily contact the customer using WhatsApp. The last Zapier step will allow you to update the last contact date and time and the chat link when the customer is already registered. We must use the returned record ID from the Airtable Find Record step. In this step, we only select the information for the last conversation and chat link, and leaving the other fields blank. As you can see, this step doesn't add new rows because the phone number already exists. Now you can enable the Zap and use Airtable and 2Chat for your mini CRM.